Welcome back to Healthy Tips Tuesday. Are you ready to embark on a journey towards a healthier, happier you? Well, you've come to the right place. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going over my morning routine that's going to jumpstart your metabolism. I've been doing this for years. I am telling you, you are definitely going to see results. So, first thing in the morning, within the first 5 minutes of waking up, I drink half a cup of water. Drinking water first thing in the morning can help flush out toxins from the body and improve digestion, which is essential for weight loss. Research shows drinking water can increase your metabolic rate, which helps in burning more calories throughout the day. And we all want that. So, if you are anything like me, you have to have coffee in the morning. So, my next step is 1 cup of hot coffee. The caffeine in coffee is a thermogenic substance, which means it increases the production of heat in the body. This process is known as thermogenesis and can help burn more calories and boost metabolism. Okay, so we're on to step 3, and it's probably one of my favorite slim down secrets. I add 1 green tea bag to my hot coffee. I'm not a big tea drinker, but the benefits of green tea are so beneficial that I had to figure out how to get it into my routine, and adding it into my coffee, I don't even taste it. Green tea contains antioxidants called catechins. When combined with the caffeine in coffee, creates the synergistic effect, which enhances your metabolism and creates a fat burning effect. Okay, we are on to step 4, the final step of my morning routine, and it is 5 milliliters apple cider vinegar with the mother. I'm not going to lie, this one takes a little bit of getting used to, but the benefits are so fabulous. It aids in digestion, regulates blood sugar levels, reduces cravings for sugary foods, increases satiety levels, increasing feelings of fullness, boosts your metabolism. The acidic acid in apple cider vinegar has been shown to boost metabolism and promote fat burning, and it also reduces fat storage. All right, guys, that concludes my step-by-step morning weight loss boost. Let's go ahead and recap. Step 1, drink half a cup of water. Step 2, make 1 cup of coffee. Step 3, add 1 tea bag to the coffee. Step 4, 5 milliliters apple cider vinegar with the mother. Go ahead and jot this down, screenshot it, and I hope you will add it to your morning routine. As always, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I hope you'll add this daily slim down secret to your morning routine and comment down below if you liked it. Remember, weight loss is a gradual process. It's important to focus on sustainable habits rather than quick fixes. Consistency is key. Check out some of my favorite meal prep kitchen gadgets to help keep you on track for reaching your weight loss goals, all linked in the description box down below. You can check out all of my weight loss videos at Healthy Days. See you next time.